This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook plum cake at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh, ripe plums. For the dry mix, prepare 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Our wet ingredients include 150 grams of softened unsalted butter, 180 grams of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 60 milliliters of milk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our plums and dry ingredients. Begin by washing and pitting your 500 grams of plums, then cut them into small, even pieces. In a large bowl, whisk together the 200 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and the pinch of salt until they are thoroughly combined. A helpful tip: lightly dust your plum pieces with 1 tablespoon of the flour mixture. This prevents them from sinking to the bottom during baking. Next, we'll focus on the wet ingredients and combining everything. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, cream together the 150 grams of softened butter and 180 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the 60 milliliters of milk, starting and ending with the dry for a perfect batter. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your delicious plum cake. Carefully pour the prepared batter into a greased and floured 9-inch round baking pan. Arrange any remaining plum pieces decoratively on top of the batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 45 to 55 minutes. Check for doneness with a skewer. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool completely before slicing and serving for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.